Share with you a journal that I've made. Haven't made a journal in ages. Well, it seems like ages. I've been putting together journal kits and things, but had to make a journal. I was itching to make one, so I've used various different digital kits and ephemera. It's got like birds and flowers and things throughout it, so I'm not quite sure what to title it. Well, I've put this on it, so I'm just might as well just call it Timeless. So it's a soft cardstock cover. It's just a tiny bit shy of a traveller's notebook, as in it's 8 instead of 8 1/4, and it's 4.5, which is the normal size I would do. Has one signature. There is 70 something pages. It will be listed in my shop, so all them details will be on the listing. Turned out quite chunky. It's got lots of tuck spots, and there's pockets. I've used this image here from Artie Mays, and it's got the flowers and a little bee. Love the bees. I've sewn that onto some coffee dyed or tea dyed paper, and then there's some cheesecloth behind there. The word here is from Artie Mays. She has this as a freebie, or she did have this as a freebie on her website. I will link that below. The cover is this designer cardstock, which is quite a plain, kind of looks like fabric-ish. Like, maybe it doesn't, I don't know, it just looks like that to me. It's then sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. We have eyelets and string as a closure. So as you can see, there's a lot going on. Let's do a quick flip like that. Lots going on, nice and chunky. This paper here is from Tsunami Rose, and I will link Tsunami Rose below. It's not a traveller's notebook kit, but I printed it and then just scored it to the size that I wanted it, and that's, whoops, just wobbled the camera, and just made the pockets. I just glued them down. So we have some ephemera here from Artie Mays. It's got the birdies on there, and then the flowers here from Tsunami Rose. I've made my little flip out page there that you can do additional journaling on. There is some edge punching. These are some like inventory papers. I got them from Carol Tinson's shop on Facebook called The Crafty Emporium. Here I've done a Rita Donnelly flip with a doily, ticket and a butterfly, and then I've got loads of ephemera inside there, and a large tag that I made. This is part of some vintage receipts that I have as a digital download in my shop, so you can find that in my shop if you're interested. There's 7 sheets and 13 pieces in total. We have this little postcard here, that's from Artie Mays, and this is from Tsunami Rose, as is this. I just thought I'd do flowers. I was out today and was seeing all the daffodils and the bluebells all popping up. It's really nice to see. Large tag. We have this ticket, that's from the vintage receipts that I have in my shop. This journal card. This is from Dreams Etc. And that all pops in there, which is one of these flip outs. And I love the paper. It's actually quite heavily tea or coffee stained. Sometimes they come out lovely and sometimes they come out plain. It's unpredictable how they come out. Oh, I slipped that in the wrong way. We have a glassine paper bag. We have a long doily, which I have coffee stained. There is a edge punching, some more Tsunami Rose digital paper. There is this postcard from Artie Mays. Oops, that's just folded up. This is part of the vintage receipts that I have as a digital download in my shop. Here is some more like ledger paper or inventory paper. Paper bag, edge punching, some digital music paper. I have this here, you could pop that on like that, maybe not, it's too big, so it's folded and on like that. Some square paper, centre of signature. We have a pocket here. Oops, I've squished that. Little flip out again. Doesn't want to go in. I'm trying to rush just a little bit here because we have to pop out soon, because there's been a little bit of a family emergency. So we have to pop out in a little bit. I want to get this done before I go. Little pocket there. Oh, I'm squashing things. This is a Cherry Woods flip out. You've seen me do that before. That all opens up like so. Again, this is nice and heavily stained. And the noise is yummy. So in that we have some more of this, the vintage receipts that I have in my shop. If you did want these printed out, because if you don't, a lot of people don't print. I think that went like that. Yeah, a lot of people don't, you know, do loads of printing. But if you wanted them as printouts, I can do that for you. Just message me privately, because I can't change the postage on individual things on my shop. So, and I've got that all kind of set out for what I do. So I would weigh them and then tell you how much it would cost to ship. Some more. This is in my shop. This is Dreams Etc. Little envelope here. This is from Artie Mays, and I believe this is a freebie. And it's a little bird envelope with the bird tag in the pockets there. Again, some more ephemera here. Sorry about that. A little flip. Tag. Journal card. Whoops. Oh, excuse me. Another receipt from my digitals, as is this, and that's from Artie Mays. Just got a little tickle in my throat. It's because I had the heating on in here today, because it was freezing with such lovely weather last week, and now it's gone really cold. So that is the journal. Like I said, all the details will be on the listing. The links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.